Our hair is completely different, but we use the exact same brush.
And the result actually surprised us.
My hair is straight.
And mine is curly.
We've both been using it for a few days, and this is our honest experience. So my hair gets a bit flat and sometimes frizzy.
And mine gets really frizzy and tangled, especially during the day.
Wow. At first, I didn't expect a big difference.
Yes, same. I thought it's just a normal brush.
But when I started using it, it made my hair smoother.
For me, it was more about controlling the frizz, and it made it look much better.
This is how my hair looks now. It just looks cleaner and more styled.
And mine feels less messy and easier to manage, which is a big deal for curly hair.
I wouldn't say it's magic, but it definitely made things easier.
Yeah, I'd actually keep using it, especially on busy days.
One thing I actually liked is that it's not just a regular brush. It has different light modes depending on what your scalp needs.
For example, I used oil control mode more because my scalp gets oily really fast, and it honestly made everything feel refresher.
And I liked massage mode. It just feels relaxing, especially after a long day.
So if your hair is anything like ours, this might actually help you.